How's it everyone? Welcome to the channel. Let me show you how to make an awesome liquid food using fermented hemp and crab meat. Let's go, buddy! You are going to need some fermented hemp, and I use a half a cup per 1 liter of liquid food. Any can of fish or crustacean meat, condensed milk, this adds fats, sugars and milk proteins, a tablespoon of MSG, which triggers the umami senses, some vegetable glycerine, which I'll normally mix at about 50-50 with glucose to use as my base, vitamin and mineral bird tonic, just make sure that it's non-medicated, and I use about 10 milliliters per liter of liquid food. Drain off half a cup to 1 cup of hemp seed and let it stand for a while to drain off most of the moisture. Add the ferment water back to your bottle so they can keep on fermenting. Open up your crab meat, put it on a strainer and softly push out most of the juices. The glycerine and glucose will preserve the mix, and they usually get more potent the longer they mature. I like to make all my mixes in 1 liter bottles. So first mix up your ingredients without the glucose and glycerine, add it to your bottle and then fill up the rest with 50-50 glucose glycerine mix. If it's a bit watery, just add more glucose, but it usually thickens up as it settles. All the liquid foods are PVA friendly, well proven and super potent. A very good tactic to target those big fish. And as always, why buy it when you can make it even better? Thanks for watching. Tight lines.